welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today's read is gonna be about the current energies, and we'll see the current energies of Sagittarians. Let's see what's going in the life of Sagittarians, your current energies. Let's see how your recent past has been, fire sign. Is the Mercury retrograde affecting you too this time? Let's see what's going on with our Sagittarius, the fire sign. Sagittarius. Universe, please guide recent past. Okay. Let's check your present situation and then the immediate future, and then we'll start with the read. Wow. Sagittarius, your read confuses me every time. You and Leos. Okay. So in the recent past, we had the Empress, the Seven of Wands, and the Four of Pentacles. Some of you could have finally realized and finally accepted the thought that a certain person is your soulmate, or I do see a soul connection, so I would say this certain person is your twin flame. So you in the recent past have finally accepted this connection. And in the recent past only, you were being guided by a certain person. I can see the Empress here. So maybe you were being guided by a certain person and you were flying towards your twin flame in the recent past, and that could be during the full moon time, before or after the full moon, but that was the time when you were going towards your twin flame. You were going to either you don't live in the same country, you were flying towards the twin flame, or in the recent past you have simply just accepted this fact. So in short, it's the acceptance. In the present situation, we have the Six of Pentacles, Five of Pentacles, and then the Two of Wands, which is right now money could be scattered. I won't say money is an issue right now, but money could be scattered. So you are just trying, I'll get the money from here, I'll get the money from here, because opportunities are scattered. Obviously, when you get a lot of opportunities with the Six of Pentacles, we can see you're getting a lot of opportunities, and these opportunities are or will give you a lot of abundance, a lot of pentacles, a lot of coins in your life. And you are trying to go towards each opportunity, which you will be able to, because we have the Two of Wands then, because you will be stable, your energy is very stable, intuitively your intuition is absolutely perfect. So you are definitely going towards this energy. And the Two of Wands energy is also in terms of your the second aspect of this Two of Wands is for your twin flame. You are pretty sure that okay, this person is my soulmate, is my twin flame, and I have finally accepted it, and I am in peace with this situation. Like you before, maybe in the past, maybe you were not accepting this thing, that there can be something like twin flames even exist in this world or something, but now you finally accepted that fact. Okay. And with the Empress who actually influenced you to go towards your twin flame, uh, she will be bringing a balance in all the opportunities that are coming your way, or you both will be making the balance in the opportunities that are coming your way. You both will be managing the finances, you both will uh, stabilize the finances, and you will even increase the finances, I would say. So there's a lot of increase in your finances that I see here. This Empress can be anyone. She can be a good friend, mother, soulmate, or could be anyone. Could be anyone close to you, with whom you basically share everything. So yeah. And then we have your immediate future. In the immediate future, we have the Six of Swords, the Two of Cups, and the Temperance. Keeping up with your balance. Intuitively, you know what's for you. And with the Two of Cups, union. For some of you who have not yet united with your twin flames, with your soulmates, there is union, there is marriage. So Two of Cups is actually commitment, official commitment of two souls together. So you will be reuniting with your twin flame in the immediate future, but before that you might have to go through some kind of emotional disturbances, but just in your own mind. Maybe you're thinking about some of the past situations that have caused issues in between you guys, or maybe the things that you have got to know from some people. So it is just in your own mind. The frustrations might come up, but only your mind is creating. Like, you are not battling or argumenting with any of your family, any of the other people. You're just battling in your own mind, but we do see that going away right now. So we don't see it lasting for a very long time. And also these battles, because in the current energies and in the immediate future, we have this little bit of shaky energy, and that is because of the Mercury retrograde. As soon as we end up with this Mercury retrograde on 21st February, I'm pretty sure this energy is gonna go away from the chart. But for now, yeah, in the immediate future, at least till 21st of February, this energy will be there. That sometimes you're battling just in your own mind. You're argumenting with your own self. And then we have the Temperance. You have the opportunities in your hand. You have the energy in your hand. Could be a healer, could be anyone. But do you see the energy ball in the hand? So you have the energy, you have the stability in your own hands. So that is why you are able to make so much of peace right now also in your life with the Two of Wands. That's why you're able to stabilize your mind every time whenever your mind tries and thinks about other things. You are still able to stabilize it with this energy. And for the overall situation, we have the Queen of Pentacles. So a certain queen is definitely coming in your life, and this is again soulmate, twin flame. For most of you, I do see it's a twin flame connection. So this queen is gonna bring a lot of abundance in your life in terms of finances, yes. But also, you know that she is the overall energy of your read. So there's nothing else. Like, all you have to do is trust this energy. I'm saying the energy. Trust this energy, trust the universe, and everything's gonna work out by itself. So this is the energy that you need to trust. This is basically the person that you need to trust. Okay, so pretty nice energy, Sagittarian. So current energies are pretty good. Wow. Let's see what is the guidance from the universe for our Sagittarians. Guidance from the universe for our Sagittarians. Universe, please guide our Sagittarians. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So we have the Lovers, the Ten of Pentacles, and then the Four of Wands. You know whom you're connected with. Your intuition knows whom you're connected with. and all you have to do is go approach this person, then only you both can. Universe is saying there's union, there's 100% union. Even though if you look at these cards, like all these cards are basically the same, even though the names are so much different, but they are just gonna tell you the same story. Just carefully look at the picture of these cards. In this one, you can see there's a heart to heart connection between two people, right? So it is a soul connection, and universe is saying that you both have already reunited, so do not worry about it for the union, because it's already happened, it's already done. Again, in the second card, we do have both of you together, and then we have the pentacles up there, means you both are gonna come together and earn a lot of money, a lot of finances. All your divine wishes will be granted, so don't worry about that too. Universe is on your end. And in this card also, you see two people are tied together in this square box, and then you can see that they are connected to each other, they're just holding hands there. So universe is guiding you that you have already come to this reunion. The reunion has already happened, that's why we got the Two of Cups in the read. So there is a possibility that before this Mercury retrograde ends on the 21st of February, you both might reunite with each other. That is also the guidance from the universe. Perfect read, Sagittarians. It was a perfect read for you guys. If it resonated with you, do let me know in the comment section below, and do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you want a personal read with me, I'll be posting the link in the description. Click on the link and we shall be in touch with you. So I'll see you guys all in the next read. Till then, take care. Bye bye.